How to add contact on your WhatsApp web. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video of App Hacks. And in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a contact from your uh, WhatsApp on your web. So let's get started. First things first, open up a WhatsApp on your web browser. After you do so, you will not find an option to add any contacts. Now to do that, what we'll do is open another tab and search for InTouch extension. So this is the one we want. Let's go to the Chrome Web Store and download it. So this is the extension that we want. So just tap on Add to Chrome, tap on Add Extension, and after you do so, it will take some time to download. After it downloads, you will see the extension right here. So I'll let it set up for a while. So there we go, it's done. Now, as you can see, it's loading up. Now what we'll do this is you need to sign in. There are 4 easy steps. First, install InTouch app on your phone and log in. Extension on your web browser, pin the extension, and so on and so on. So what we'll do after doing those steps is just go to the extension, go to InTouch. Let us do that again after going to our WhatsApp web. So after you enable this InTouch app, you will need to first connect it to your phone, and after you do that, you will see a plus icon here from where you will be able to add your contacts, and that basically is it. So thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.